Hi, preparatory stage. Today, I will resume our summer course that we started in the previous videos. But before we go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, it would be, before I will start, I would like to say something before I start our lesson, okay? I would like to know something about learning English here in this summer course. Here we have English skills. What is the English skills? It will be English skills. It is English skills are respective and protective. What is respective and what's protective? Let's know together what's respective and protective. Respective skills. What is the meaning of respective skills? Abilities to understand the process, spoken and written language, which will depend on listening and reading. This called respective skills. We have another item here in this in English skills, which is protective skills. Protective skills means what? Expressing thoughts, ideas, and information by what? By speaking and writing. This called the protective skills. So we have two items here in English skills. We have respective, that understands the process of spoken and written English, which is depend on listening and reading. We have also protective, to produce language by expressing thoughts, ideas, information. This happening by what? By speaking and writing. Let's go to our lesson today. Our lesson today is past continuous tense. What is the past continuous tense? What is the past continuous tense use, or what is the past continuous tense? Expressing action happening in the past, but in a specific time. Happening in the past, but in specific time. Past simple action happened and ended. This tense happening at the specific time in the past. But I think, it can be continuous. It can be happening. Okay. But when we talk about past simple action happened and ended, it can't have any effect. Okay, can't have any effect. Let's go to know more about this tense. In this tense, the formula of this tense is what is are, you, we, they. We have plus was or where plus verb plus ing. I, he, she, it, take what, take was. You, we, they take are, take where. So I, he, she, it, take what, take was, plus verb plus ing. You, we, they take are, take are. Okay, let's go to know more about this tense. In this tense, when we do this tense in the negative, we say what? We say wasn't or weren't. When we make a WH question, I am making this WH question by using this formula. Was she cooking? Yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Were they play? Yes, they were, or no, they weren't. Were you sleeping? Yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. Here is the WH question, as the same here in as we told in the yes, no, we use it here in WH. Where was he waiting? He was waiting in the club. What were they wearing? They were wearing shirts. Okay. Here we say at 7 o'clock yesterday, he was watching the film. So here he have a specific time here, and here we use, and in this case we use the past continuous tense. Here we have what is the keywords that refers to the past continuous tense: when, while, is, just is. And I would like to say that when we use when, we use when. We have the tense that comes. We have here mistake here, because when must be followed by the past simple form, and another one is in the past continuous. While the tense that after while, it will be in the past continuous, and another one in the past. Here is we have a mistake here. I would like to note that when must be followed by the when must be followed by the past simple form. Okay, here is the mistake here in this sentence. Okay. While I was studying, I slept. While studying, I slept. Here is the two cases of while. Okay, let's go to answer the question. Here is we have some verbs that expressing emotions, senses, recognizing, remembering, sympathy, and belonging and position. All these called the verbs of emotions, verbs of senses, recognizing, remembering, and sympathy. Okay, here we say like, love, believe, remember, own, understand, and know. Let's go to answer the test. Belongs this, or the test related to the past continuous tense. My mobile rang while what? While here is say that I told you that while must be followed by what? By the past continuous. So the answer is the correct answer here. It will be was doing. He was driving to work when the accident. Here the accident happened. Why? Because the tense that comes after when, it will be in the past form. While space here my homework, I slept. While here doing, here is while, there isn't a pronoun here. While doing my homework. What were you space? What were you doing? I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I see you how to write, how to do it, and you can do the rest by yourself. By yourself. Here we have while. Here is while. While he space apart that with his friend arriving. Here to be here was taking. Was taken. Why? As we told you before, that while must be followed by the past continuous. Okay, here is while taking. Taking. While he was taking. When he was. Here is here is a mistake, as we told you before, that while when must be followed by the past. I don't write it because it's wrong. While he was sleeping, he space his while he was sleeping, his sister watched TV. Why here watched? You can say most of you think why Miss Iman watched, because here, as we told you, that while must be followed by the past continuous, and another part of the sentence, it will be in the past simple form. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Space. What space was you doing? So here not was, where here. You was you doing when the light went out. Okay, it will be here where. Why? Because here you don't take was, take where. It space when you left school. Here it will be, it was what? It was raining. It was raining. It was here raining. It was raining. Here's while I was doing my homework, it will be here, my sister arrived. I had a bad dream. I have space. Here is space. Here is I had while what? While sleeping. It will be here sleeping. Why you say Miss Iman omit where here? Because here was there isn't any pronoun. So while must followed by the verb directly, like this. While sleeping, I had a bad dream. Okay. Today we end from our lesson. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. We end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.